Think your business is protected because you have backups? Maybe. But here's the biggest mistake we see, and that's assuming your backups actually work. Just because data is being copied somewhere doesn't mean that you can quickly recover when something goes wrong. We've worked with businesses that are backing up their data every day, but when they needed to restore it, they discovered that their backup was incomplete, corrupt, or had never even been tested. By then, it's too late. A backup is only as good as your ability to restore it. So here's a quick test. Ask your IT provider these 3 questions. First, when was the last time you successfully tested a restore? Second, if ransomware hit today, how long could it take your business to get back up and running? And third, are you backing up just your files or your entire business environment, including Microsoft 365, servers, and critical applications? If they can't answer those 3 questions confidently, it's worth taking a closer look. The goal isn't just to have backups, it's to know if your business can recover quickly when the unexpected happens. That's the difference between checking a box and having a real business continuity plan.